Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on Sunday Coffee and Collage. So, in last week's video, we talked about this being the last Sunday Coffee and Collage and transitioning this into something else. And that may happen, but not today. And the reason being is this. My friend Hope said, she was so kind. All of you were so kind in the comments. Thank you so much for your encouragement. But my friend Hope said this. She said, well, could you just finish the book? And I told her, I said, well, it just so happens it's the last page, so we'll be finished with the book. Guess what, Hope? I lied to you, girl. I lied. You got to watch me, y'all. This is actually, watch. So this was the one we did this last week. Okay. And then we have this one today. And then so let's get to it, because these are meant to be quick and short. I got this box from Your Creative Studio a long time ago. And what I was going through some stuff this week because I was on vacation, and I realized they had some collage pieces in here. What? And then I said, oh, those would look good with my little Victorian ladies. What? So let's get to getting. Let's do it. Let's see what we can get into here. Yeah, these have been wonderful for me, truly. And we're going to go through. I'll at some point show you everything we've done. I've got all kind of stuff back here getting ready for my Saturday coffee clutch. We're going to make fabric dangles. You'll probably have already seen that. And if you haven't, I'll try to remember to link that video if you're not able to attend that. But anyway, I was on vacation this week cleaning out some stuff and came across this little box, and I said, ooh, what's in there? And sure enough, all the goodness from Your Creative Studio. Thank you, Your Creative Studio. This is not sponsored by them. I was obligated to review their product, and I did that. I gladly did that. It was a lot of fun. But these collage pieces are fantastic. I'd just forgotten they were in there. So let's get these down on the page. These collage videos, these Sunday Coffee and Collage, I try to keep them to about 15 minutes. It's just a quick craft, and to help people who are like me, who, feel like, well, I don't know, I don't like to do collage, I'm not good at collage, because that's how I felt about it. And while I don't listen, just because I'm ending this series too, I want to clarify something. It doesn't mean that I feel like I'm great at collage. Oh no, contraire, mon frere. Had nothing to do with that. I feel like I was getting bored with it. And my friend Kathy also made a very good point, thank you, Kathy, in the comments of last week's video. She said, could it be because you're pulling from the same stuff, like you're doing the same thing over and over again? Is that why you're bored? And she makes a good point. I mean, it's valid. It's a valid point. And the more I thought about that, the more I thought, oh, she absolutely could be right. Maybe I do venture out and do like a spread with just nothing but the color purple, or a spread that's nothing but I don't know, children's images, or what, I don't know. I just don't know. So I think though what I'm mulling over at this time is to evolve this series into something bigger. Not necessarily a longer video, so please don't misunderstand. Not necessarily a longer video. That's not what I mean by that. But something that it can be appeal to a bigger audience. That's what I'm thinking. See how great these little pieces that are already cut up for you? So I would recommend, if you have any pieces in your stash that you can go ahead and cut up, do it. You know what I mean? Like, if you have different hues, because that's really all this is, right? It's just different hues of brown, truly. The brown, green, all these and it just, this already looks fantastic. And again, I am no guru at this. No. But I'm sure having fun with it. I wanted to put this little post, this word post in the corner down here. Okay, I've got this little thing right here that's begging for a stamp, isn't it? It's kind of begging for a stamp, I think. Let's do that. I had a really good week off. I'm so blessed, y'all. I cannot even tell you the difference working for the right people can make. I'm just be real honest with y'all. And not that my job is perfect, because it is not. I still want to be a lottery winner when I grow up. Let me make that perfectly clear, universe. I still want to be a lottery winner when I grow up. And this week was one of the best vacation weeks I've ever had. And the client that I work for actually called me midweek, because he was gone the week before, so we had not seen each other. And he called me midweek this week just to say hello, check on me, see how things were going on my vacation, see how things went last week. I've never had a boss do that, ever. I don't think. I've had some good bosses, don't get me wrong. I have had some great bosses. But that was just one of the things, whenever I went to bed and laid my head down that night, that was one of the things I was thankful for. Here's your collage, folks. We could stop there, or if you wanted to, we could do a few little stamps, I suppose, right? Let's see what's on this one. They got all these beautiful stamps in here, all these sceneries. I really want to do this lady. I really want to do her. I don't know if we do... Maybe we do those two. What do you think? Then we also have these. Let's do this little... Look at me. I've got all these stamps. I need to put them in my stamp collection over there. How about that little paid one? Okay, I'm going to use this archival. I want to use that. I'm going to put her... I think I'm going to put her there. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, I probably need to turn it like this, huh? Do it like the real YouTubers do it, Carrie. Let's see. Let's put her here. And those are those spongy ones. I should have gotten my little thingy. Hold on. Here we go. My little hockey puck. I like her. Okay. Now, I want to do this paid one for sure. I wonder if it's going to come through. Let me see. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I need to keep this close to my desk. You know what? I need to keep that one close to my desk. Yeah. It's so cute. I should have gotten a little... Let's do it right here. Oh, I love it. I love that. Okay. We're going to do this little pointy finger. Oh, and I'm going to have this black ink all over myself. Oh, yeah. It's all good. Like I said, I got my Sunday Coffee Collage later. If I do this right here, it's too long. Let's do it up here. Or... we'll do it up here. Let's do it here. It's crooked. I can tell you right now, it's crooked. It'll be all right. It'll be okay. I feel like I need one right there, huh? Oh, let's do this little postal, this little round one. Look, see? Let's do that one. Yeah, I'm moving these over into my stamps. But you know, my friend dear Angela has been after me to use stamps in my collages. Angela, I'll listen eventually. I hope she watches this. Bless her heart. She really has. She has been after me. A few of you have, huh? Oh, I'm so hard-headed. Don't listen. Look, that's cute. I really love this, y'all. What's that say? For address? Look at this one. For address? We're going to use it. Hold on. Hold on a minute. I use this little one. I'm going to put it right here. Let's see. Test that one out. Okay. I'll put it up here. Ha ha ha. Y'all, we're going to call this collage good. I think so. I think we're going to call this collage good. This is for Sunday, July 5th, 2026. That one's in the book, y'all. Got one more page. I'll think through kind of what we're going to evolve this thing into. Thank you guys so much for coming along. If you're playing along, post some in my community tab and show me what you're doing. I'd love to see it. I really would. I really would. But anyway, this has gone on longer than I intended to. You guys remember what I always say. I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I have had and am having with this Coffee and Collage series. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.